Hey guys, how's it going? I didn't know it was today. 45 years of airplane. Now I'm ready for this video. Today's the 45 version of airplane. Guys, I love this movie from last December. It was so funny. I laughed so hard. It was so funny than the Naked Gun trilogy. My favorite part is when that girl he said, "I take black, just like my men." That was my favorite part. And Leia's in this movie, just like Naked Gun. My favorite one, he said, "I am serious, but don't call me Shirley." Classic old man. Wow, I never see this movie before, just like Naked Gun. Only I saw him for the first time is the Scare Movie. These piece of crap trilogy is Date, Epic, and Disaster. Another one, superhero movie, and last, Meet the Spartan, and The Haunted House. And now these classic old parody I never saw is Naked Gun and Airplane. I love Naked Gun trilogy more. I love both since they're like hilarious. And I can't wait to the reboot of Naked Gun. Yeah, I loved it. And yeah, since I love the original Scare Movie, I loved it. Like back in 2021. Yeah, that's all just for us to say of the 45 version of Airplane.